In this video, I will show you how to round numbers. Now the directions in this say to round each to the place indicated, and sometimes that's indicated by a line underneath or by a word given. So I'm going to show you 4 examples out of this note sheet, and then you can try the rest. For the first example, the number we're given is 8,632,051. And the number that's underlined is the 8. So if I'm going to round in the millionths place, all I need to do is look at the number next to it. If the number next to it is a 5 or higher, then we're going to round that previous number, in this case my 8 that's underlined, up. If the number to the right is between 0 and 4, you do not round up, you round down. So because the number to the right of the 8 is a 6, I'm going to round my 8 up. So the rounding to the nearest millions would be 9 million. In the second example here, the number that's underlined is the 9. And the number next to it is a 5. So if this number is going to round up because of the 5, then I need to think about this 9 rounding up to a 10. Well, I can't really round one digit to a 10, so that means I'm actually going to end up rounding this number to take care of that. So because I cannot round a 9 up anymore to 10, 10 is 2 digits, not 1, I actually have to round this number up. So it's going to be 26 million. So there's a couple with underlined. Now there are some of these where it says in the word what you're going to round. And in this case, it says round to the nearest 10 thousandths. The 10 thousandths in this number would be the 4 out of 347,168. So if I'm going to round to the nearest 10,000, I want to look at the number right next to the 4. Now in this case, unlike that number that we had up above 2, but I can round the 4 up to a 5. So I'm going to round it to 350,000 as a rounding up. And then my last example to show you before you get to try on your own would be this number right here, number 20. It's 6.9788, and it says round to the nearest tenth. Well, the 10th digit would be the 6.9. So how do I round up here? Well, I look to the number to the right. Well, the 7 would round that 9 up to a 10, but I can't round the 9 up to a 10 because I only get one digit. So that means my 6 is going to go up. So it's going to round up to 7.0. Try the rest on your own and see how you can do.